Today we are going to see Jmeter overview. Okay, so what is Jmeter? And so Jmeter is nothing but it's a open source software, so you can run and also it is a 100% Java application, so you can run in any platform. Okay, and it can be used for load test and performance testing, and you can run different categories, like you can do low, functional, performance, regression, etc. And in order to do this, in order to run this Jmeter, you require JDK 6 or higher version installed on your computer. Okay, and before going to Jmeter, we will go to see some key factors. Okay, so what is performance testing? Performance testing is the process of determining the speed or effectiveness of a particular web services or website or FTP test plan or whatever may be. So this is the thing, and we are going to monitor in the system how it's performing. Okay, and there are some key factors: throughput, response time, latency, connect time, etc. Okay, so we'll see what is throughput. Throughput is nothing but it represents the number of requests processed by a product and a duration, specific time duration. That is okay. So if you see this image, you see the throughput is slowly increased and it's linearly, okay, and it's going on the linear version, and now it's going to degrade. This means it's having the lighter load version zone, heavy load zone, as well as the bubble zone. Okay, so when the number of user increases, then automatically it will go to some that is called here, that is called throughput, right? Monitoring. And response time is nothing but the delay between the point of request and the first response from the product. Okay, and it can be calculated by using the latency plus processing time. Okay, and what is latency? Latency is nothing but time to first byte result. For example, this, if you see, it is we are sending the request, okay, and we are getting some output. We are getting from the client, right, from the server. So that is called latency. Okay, and this is the performance measurement. These are the metrics we are using for performance of any tools. Okay, and what is planning? So we need to go for the planning. Okay, so capacity planning is nothing but it's determining what type of hardware and software resources. Okay, so these are the things we need to plan before we are going to start a performance test. Okay, so volume test, testing, load testing, spec testing. So these are the definitions, and you are aware of this. Okay, so next we are going to see the difference between the performance load and stress testing. Okay, so load test is we are giving a constant load on a particular system, then we will check how it's responding. Okay, that is called load testing. And stress means we are breaking the system, how much can be okay, so how much it can be loaded. Okay, then okay, so next we are going for the load test process. So this is the first we are going to have the step 1 for planning the test. Okay, then we need to create a virtual user script, then create a scenario that I will let you know in the later session. Okay, so after that, running that scenario, monitoring the scenario, then analyzing the result. We get in the result, the report, table, a graph, or whatever may be. Okay, then again the next final step is Jmeter advantage and drawbacks. It is advantage means it is 100% Java application, so you can run it any platform. Okay, and it can be tested if you want to run a web, FTP, or web services, and then database testing, so you can do. Okay, and it's an open source. You can do a distributed testing and various target systems. You can have different. For example, it can be used for distributed testing. Okay, and the drawback is that the chart representation is somewhat confused. We are not getting at what point we are getting the output like that. Okay, and the terminology is not very clear. These are the things. Okay, so that's it for the overview of Jmeter. Okay, that's it, and thank you very much. Thank you.